I'm getting closer to sorting out the flash pack that I'm trying to build. I've built up a wired up prototype here, and I'm using dip ICs because they're easier to probe. I've got a connector here which goes off down to the actual flash pack PCB here, and I've removed 3 of the ICs on the back that do the logic for selecting the flash chip. And that's on an extender board I made a while back to do something, can't remember what, but that lets me probe the chips themselves. And I found that the main problem was on this flash prototype board that I made up, which was in this jig. I had some shorted pins which was due to soldering, so I took the IC off, checked underneath, everything's fine, it's just there must have been some solder traces there because it's not shorted at the moment. And so I started using the other one that I'd made up, and I found that there were several pins not soldered on the flash chips, so they are a bit of a pain to solder at the moment. I'm going to have to work that out. But this is going a little bit further through the flash process. If I start it programming, slot B, and then say yes, it does actually start the progress bar there, and then it says no pack, which is a bit weird because there was a pack. It must have decided there was a pack because it started programming, but something's going wrong. So there's still a problem here, and I just need to find out what that is. But I think that sort of means the logic is very close anyway. It's either a soldering problem somewhere. I don't think a wire's fallen off, I've checked that. So it could be that there's still a pin not soldered on the flash pack here, but I don't know about that. Anyway, need to find that problem. Another thing I found was that these chips here, which I think are flash chips, I don't think there's actually a problem with them, I don't think they're counterfeit or anything, don't actually register as being present when I try them in my TL866 Mini Pro programmer. So I don't know why that is. I was a little bit concerned they might be counterfeit or something, but I don't think they are. So anyway, it's moved on a bit with this different jig here, and it took me a couple of hours to wire that up. Wires have been falling off quite a lot, but almost there, I think. Almost got the thing working. There's just one little niggly problem that causes this error, so I just need to find that, which could take me ages, I suppose, and then make another PCB with the new logic circuit here. As you can see, there's 4 chips there. I may be able to shrink that down to the original 3 that I had here, but if there's 4, then I'm going to have to fit another one on this board somewhere, which may or may not be possible. I think it's just about possible. What I might want to do as well is maybe move these flash chips apart so I can get in there to solder them. This bit here where there's pins there are pretty inaccessible once you've soldered the first chip on them. But anyway, once I get this working, then I can go ahead and do the new PCB artwork.